What's up, all you crazy box break and card collect and baseball fans? This is Scott from liveboxbreaks.com, coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. 2 box of baseball break for you tonight. But first, we have two bad break drawings. First prize, a National Treasures Russell Wilson patch, numbered to 49. And here are the entries for that drawing. And we'll randomize the list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is gonna be Dave. Congratulations, Dave. And the second drawing, giving away a $10 promo code. Here we go, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is gonna be Ashley. Congratulations. And now for tonight's break, 30 spots, so 1 team per spot. And we'll randomize that list 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll paste the results against a list of teams in alphabetical order. We'll start off with the 2014 Bowman Platinum. 20 packs, 5 cards per pack. The 2 chrome autos and 1 chrome auto patch per box. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. Justin Nicolino. And the first hit going to the Royals, Christian Benford. On card auto, green parallel 172 out of 399. Royals going to Ashley. Congratulations. Clayton Kershaw, Junior Baez die cut, and Jock Peterson. Erismandi Alcantara, Kyle Crick, Cliff Lee, Josh Donaldson, and Henry Owens. Adroyus Vizcaino, Robert Stevenson, James Shields, Max Scherzer, and Rogan Odor. Max Fried, Alex Meyer, Steven Strasburg, Mike Trout die cut for the Angels, going to Scott J. and Eddie Rosario. Braden Shipley, Michael Noah, Matt Cain, Masahiro Tanaka, rookie remake refractor, and the Yankees going to Brian P. Congratulations, Brian. Garen Sassini. Jose Barrios, Micah Noah refractor, Billy Hamilton rookie, Salvador Perez, and AJ Cole. Maikel Franco. And a rookie auto patch for the Diamondbacks, Archie Bradley. 183 or 103 out of 199. Diamondbacks going to Joshua J. Congratulations. Hunter Dozier and Mark Appel. Dominic Smith, DJ Peterson, Felix Hernandez, Anthony Rizzo, and Marcus Stroman. Nick Kingman, Jesse Biddle, Annabelle Sanchez, James Shields, and Rob Kaminsky. Chris Stratton, Josh Donaldson, Jose Abreu, rookie die cut. White Sox going to Ashley, Joe Panik, and Slade Heathcock. Justin Meadows, rookie autograph for the Twins, Sean Gilmartin. Twins going to the pool tonight. Congratulations. Marcus Simon, Gary Sanchez, die cut, and Lance McCullers. Addison Russell, Justin Upton, Steven Strasburg, Clint Frazier, and Francisco Lindor. Raul Mondesi, Reese McGuire, Colton Wong, Gary Sanchez, rookie die cut for the Yankees, and Carlos Correa. Austin Hedges, blue parallel for the Rangers. Iro Perez, 33 out of 99. Rangers going to Robert R. Jimmy Nelson, rookie die cut for the Yankees. Masahiro Tanaka, going to Brian P. and Zach Lee. Aaron Sanchez, Edwin Encarnacion, George Springer, rookie die cut for the Astros, going to Dave, Eduardo Rodriguez, and Dan Vogelbach. Luis Heredia, Marco Gonzalez, Francisco Liriano, Jose Abreu, rookie, and Chris Bryant. Hak-Ju Lee, Trevor Story, Masahiro Tanaka, rookie, Madison Bumgarner, and Hunter Renruff. Nick Travasio, gold parallel for the Phillies, Maikel Franco, 13 out of 50. Phillies going to Brian P. Aroldis Chapman, Jay Bruce, and Tim Anderson. Luis Giolito, Gene Segura, Joey Votto, Hero Barris, and Cole Stewart. Matt Barnes, Corey Seager, Pedro Alvarez, Oscar Taveras, Robert Azuna, and insert. And now the 2014 Tier 1. Yeah, looks like we have a bonus jersey patch hit in this one. Up first for the Indians, Manny Ramirez. 90 out of 99. Indians going to Brian P. For the Dodgers, Adrian Gonzalez patch, 5 out of 254. Dodgers going to Joshua J. On card autograph for the White Sox, Albert Bell, 152 out of 299. Going to Ashley. And on card autograph for the Brewers, Tyler Thornburg, 281 out of 399. Brewers going to Kurt. And that will do it for Wednesday night's break. We're going to be off tomorrow, back at it Friday with the 3-box case break of the 5-star football. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Friday night.